So when you do decide whether an AI use case really deserves to scale, what would you say matters most? Is it, cycle time? Is it quality improvement, scrap reduction, labor productivity, or simply whether operators actually use it? What are you seeing? Andreas, let's take you on that one first.
Yes, so business case obviously is important. Like obviously we need to use AI to kind of generate some form of business benefit. So for us in production, we follow different goals. It could be productivity that we want to increase in all, however, which KPIs we address with it. It could be energy consumption, for example, or something like this. But also AI can help us to make our production more flexible, or on the other hand, kind of help our people simplifying their jobs. So there are different types of ways the AI can solve, and there's no answer. In the end, we have to serve some business benefit, which ideally kind of are also our strategic goals now.
Yeah, perfect. And Mike, would you like to jump in there?
Just to emphasize the point, all the businesses are there. They're not businesses there to develop AI. They're there to use it as a tool, and therefore it's about ensuring that whatever you do is producing the right kind of outputs or actions that actually are improving the business. And as Andreas said, it's quality, productivity, all sorts of different factors, but it is about making the business more successful ultimately.
Perfect. And AJ, would you like to add anything on this one?
Yeah, I think I agree with what's been said. We see it in really two categories, right? The first is just saving time, right? So, again, if I just use an example, right, I talked about selecting data to train models, right? So if we can save 20 hours of a data scientist, it's easy to monetize that, right? So time savings is something we really focus on for automation. And then, like we said too, the first application, right, for a lot of these visual applications is just inspection, right? So looking for quality defects, catching more defects, and the yield improvement associated with that also has cost savings. So those are the main two categories we see.